What's up, guys? This is Apex Sided, and I just wanted to do a quick rundown on Traderlink unusual options software. This has obviously been a video that many have requested, so I wanted to get this video out for all of you, and I want to show you how I get my notable flow. But for the people who do have this software, the full software, I want to show you guys how to set it up, what filters I look at, and how to use it wisely, right? So obviously we have the software in front of us. If you want to look at all tickers, all you have to do is type in all. That's very obvious, right? If you wanted to type in a certain ticker, you can type in whatever ticker, Apple, whatever the case may be, right? But we're just going to use all for all tickers. Now this is where you change your filters, right? So if you hover, you can click the three dots on any of them and you can adjust it to however you like it, right? So this is how I use the flow and with the filters that work for me. So first things first, I only want volume to be greater than OI. So I'm going to click the three dots. I'm going to click filter. I'm going to do volume greater than OI is true, right? I also want out the money on, because I don't really care if there's $500,000 of someone buying an NVIDIA let's say a 500 call, right? When NVIDIA is at 571, right? That's meaningless to me, right? I would rather to see someone paying 500,000 in NVIDIA 700 call for next week's expiration, right? Because that's like $130 move with only a week left in expiration, but someone's paying $500,000. So you see what I mean? So we do want out the money on. So what we're going to do is add filter. Do this. Oops, I did not want to do that. We're going to click the three dots on out the money. We're going to click filter. We're going to click out the money is true. Right? So we got that down. Right? And that, honestly, basically what we need, right? So I actually like the minimum value to be at least, I would say 25 to 50,000. I play around with it a lot because sometimes 30,000 in premium is, it's not, it gets very noisy, but at the same time, you never know. These small orders can actually make a lot of money, right? You just don't know. But if you do want to, have a specific set amount of value, what you're going to do is, again, click the three dots, click filter. You're going to change this to value. You can do greater than, or equal to. We're going to do greater than, let's say, 35,000, right? So that's going to be the minimum value for anything that comes in, right? So if there's something that's $20,000, that's not going to show up, right? If it's $10,000, it's not going to show up, right? So what we're going to do, that's going to be the 35,000, right? And then we're going to make sure this is, as far as in order on the time. But yeah, so that's honestly basically it as far as the filters. Now you can do days till expiration as well. It's like the same thing as value, right? So you're going to change this to days till expiration. Not this one. My apologies. I want to do days till expiration. You can do greater than, less than, whatever date, right? But we're going to keep this untouched, right? So all your filters can be changed here, right? On the three dots. Now, as we're going through the flow, right? What looks, attractive, right? So we're looking through, we obviously want the ask or we want the bid, right? We don't want mark because we don't really know if it's a fill at the ask or at the bid. It's just kind of in between, right? So we want to ignore. There's really no conviction in that trade, right? To make sure we can read data just in case. Okay, actually, as a matter of fact, oh no, we good. All right, we got it. I just thought it was my computer that actually froze. So we're just gonna, again, we don't want to look at mark. We just want to look at the ask and the bid, right? So that's most important. So as we're going through, what I like to do for notable flow is, let's see, we can start from the top of value, right? So we're looking through, right? So Intel 47 put for 315 expiration, 1.265 million in premium at the ask. So I just want to make sure that it looks right. So what I'm going to do is click these three dots, right? And yes, so 10,394 is at the ask. It also shows you up here the total premium, the average price, the volume, and the open interest for this specific contract, right? Also, it's nice that it shows historical flow down here as well. So it's very clean, very easy to see, right? Now, this order, LUV 32.5 call for 315 expiration, 1.53 million in premium, a 0.083 average fill, 18,000 in size at the ask, but this is a multi-leg. So let's see if, what the other side of the trade is. Now, sometimes it doesn't show up just yet, right? But in this case, it does. So what it's saying that this multi-leg flow is that they're buying a 32.5 call for 315 expiration for 1.5 million, and they're selling an upside 37.5 call for 29,000, or I'm sorry, that's the mark. 37.5 call for 315 expiration for 295,000, same size. So this is a call debit spread, right? So this is a multi-leg flow trade, right? So you want to make sure to always pay attention to this, right? Because you see this big order and you're like, oh, it's a single order. No, there is a multi-leg, right? So this could be a debit spread, credit spread, butterfly, you name it. It will show you, right? So that's basically it, how this unusual flow software works. It's very clean. There's not many tabs that will confuse you. It's very easy to use. You can see everything very easily. I mean, it's, there's so much more that's coming out as well, but right now it's in such a great position. I'm excited to, show this to you guys, and I'm excited for you guys to use this software. But that's basically it. I'm going to be posting this obviously on my YouTube. Please comment. If you have any questions, I'll post this on my Twitter as well. And if you have questions, please comment down below on my Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.